Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm participating in the Tuscan Tablescape collaboration hosted by Mary Key's Happy Home Decor, co-hosted by Glamour Ellen, DIY Designs by CCW, Ant's Place, My Take on Home and Garden, and Julie, the Thrifty Designer. Please head over to their channels. They have amazing contents to share, and the links to their channel will be in the description below. The rules for this collab was to design a tablescape, a Tuscan tablescape, and you must use grapes. For my tablescape, I designed a table setting for 4. I use inexpensive items, which makes this tablescape very budget friendly. For my centerpiece, I added the grapes, faux grapes, and those were $2 each. Added this floral arrangement. I just changed out the blue color and added the wine color to this floral arrangement. Added the quartz as a filler in the tray, the wine glass, which I DIY'd, and the tray I also DIY'd that as well. That is a picture frame, and I painted that rose gold and also spray painted brass metallic, so it has a mixture of color. The dish towel is from Dollar Tree. For my runner, I purchased that from CV Linen, the burlap. The candle holders are from Dollar Tree. The 2 dessert trays are from, well actually I DIY'd that using the Dollar Tree salad plate and the candle holder. For my tableware, I use a copper, sort of like a copper glass charger. The dinner plates was actually thrifted, and I added the Dollar Tree salad plate. The napkins are DIY. The napkin holders are from Hobby Lobby at 40% off. The wine glass are DIY, spray painted those rose gold. And the silverware are actually rose gold, and those are from Walmart. And on my dessert tray, I added a loaf of bread on one side and cheese on the other side. And also on my floral, I added these DIY small pumpkins. They're actually painted rose gold. And this concludes the tour of my Tuscan tablescape. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you're not already a member of my channel, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell twice so you won't miss out on any future videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks again, and stay blessed.